what's in this one?
Just gonna. That's a cult. Wait, is it? Bum. That's what it does. It was not a shot. Hardcore professional. That's famous. That maybe yeah.
Which one?
We have standard. We're playing standard.
Oh, lame.
I'm not playing hardcore, bro.
Yeah. Someone was ballsy before. Oh, okay.
I forgot to put this away. Anyway, it's okay.
You know the game already, right?
Yeah. Did I? You don't?
No. I feel like I watched some of the games, but I don't know this at all.
Oh no. What?
September 30th, 1998.
Jail.
Today I'll never forget.
Sad story. I should.
Punishing missions nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
Bro looks like Dream.
Even for a second.
Oh my god.
Just in blind.
Oh, okay. I thought you were different. I was about to kill myself.
No,
Okay.
wait, what dream are you thinking?
Just
Sandman.
no.
What dream are you?
The other dream.
Is he
No.
Mexican?
No, he's not. Why the music? Because he played Spain. Obviously, because you're.
So tell me, Yankee,
Okay.
why did you come to this horrible place? As close to nowhere that I've ever seen.
Let's just say, looking for someone.
God, he's so
That someone
nonchalant.
must be very important, huh?
You get it.
Chief gave
Oh
the
my
orders
God.
himself.
He's so
Help him,
evil.
he said.
Yeah, and the
I'm
other.
sure you boys didn't come all the way out here to roast marshmallows.
We know.
Maybe you did.
Oh no.
The dad jokes are.
Oh
You
my
have a
god.
strange
gets
sense of
worse.
humor.
Amazing.
I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Just between us.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people have gone missing around here. And it's been that way for a while now.
Well then, should be just another day in the office, right?
I mean, last week there was a search for some missing hikers.
I'm sure you'll do your best to help me.
No, that's trustworthy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Laugh like that. That's nice.
Come.
I think this is it. Nature calls, huh? I'll be right back.
Thought you said Mexico.
Qué frío.
Mexico.
¿Te has bebido el bar entero?
What the fuck was that? What were those subtitles?
You smoke?
Yes. Correct. That is correct, Shorty.
Oh, really, sir? Of course.
Men.
Hey, ¿hay alguien ahí?
Oh, man. Why go alone? I'm not even gonna.
We need a plot, okay?
Of course.
Somebody has to die.
He was so happy, though. Come on.
He was only
Kill the depressed guy in the back. I'm
Sure
sorry.
is taking
Listen,
I'm sorry.
I will
fall
early
in?
enough, okay?
Amazing.
Maybe you better go and take a look.
Bro, it sounds like he's evil.
Oh, what's the car? Wouldn't want to get a parking ticket.
So much for helping me.
Don't do the fly hand.
I did. That was Hamilton. Okay. That qualifies as Hamilton.
I thought you meant the musical. Who knew that you were talking about F1?
Okay. Oh my god, okay. Ow.
Maybe.
Oh my god! It's already started. Kill yourself. Oh no, it's locked. Oh, I don't want it.
Change it.
Kill yourself.
God, I'm so good at this. Okay. Why would we go somewhere where the light is on? I feel like that's a crime.
Anyone home?
You are currently doing crime.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh wow. That's
Sticks.
but with blood. Isn't that cool? I know where I have to go. So just
Okay.
if you have any input.
I like the aesthetic though. If it wouldn't be like
Oh yes. Balkan life. That's good. Feel like home.
oh my god.
Oh no, I entered the cutscene.
Amazing work.
Sorry.
Was there something else to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
No, not really. It was just looking around.
Sorry to barge in like this.
That's what you say after doing crime. Okay.
Police, he could do that.
How do we know he's police? I wouldn't trust him.
Policia. Vino aquí?
He speaks French.
French?
I just say Spanish. Shut up.
Close enough, yeah.
Shut up.
Like,
Shut up. Shut up.
The
Hey,
American
shut up.
is affecting.
Shut up.
It's okay.
I do have a cue. Oh my god. Yeah. Were we not expecting this?
Oh,
That in the eyes. Oh, that was a strong ass kick.
yeah.
Did it break his neck?
Do I not? I do not. Apparently. Okay. Oh, I have. Okay. Cool. Yes. Oh no, never mind. That was. I didn't. Do it.
I played the game. Oh no. He screamed before though, didn't he? Oh no, hit you.
What's your
I
situation?
don't understand you.
You don't speak Spanish?
Zero language, 100% understanding.
Great.
Escape? Why? Are we trapped? Oh, mano. Get away. I thought it was... Okay. This is nice. Oh, it's a parasite.
Oh my god.
Can you just shoot it?
Oh shit.
This just keeps getting worse.
Amazing.
I'm not feeling myself here. I get nervous, okay? I get stage fright.
Stage fright?
That's what it is.
From me sitting here?
Yes.
Okay.
Drugs.
Okay. Rosemary. A lifesaver. Well, you escaped fast.
Thank you.
Pro gamer.
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
What? The president's daughter is
Location on
gone?
the Gotta go.
Aw.
Talk later.
You think? Oh. Bald man.
Got myself out.
Okay. Yeah, no, sure. Solution? Jump out the window. I mean, fair. Bro, if you can maybe run, why would you not? God, I hate.
See, there we go. We're
I
running.
hate white people. I'm white.
Whoa. Oh god. I already hate it here again.
Oh, that's pretty. I want a typewriter like that.
Every time you come home, you just
save my profit of the day. Not the double. It's a big double. Excuse me.
yeah.
Is this realistic for Europe? I think finding ammo would be realistic for America.
Yeah, kind of, but like considering it's like zombies and shit. Yeah.
Well, that's canon that there are zombies.
Yeah.
It's not like,
Everywhere you go in Europe, there are zombies.
no way.
Yeah. You didn't know that on the game?
That's so rude. I take this
Oh, fuck.
personally.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, I missed the melee attack. Damn it.
Damn.
Why am I standing in the bush?
I know the memes. Are you gonna splash water over it?
What?
The medicine.
Oh, no, that's Ethan. Oh, my God.
Oh no, they're not the same. My bad. I love how the jet. Oh my god.
Damn it.
That has to hurt.
Kind of, but Leon is like basically invisible, actually.
Where's
Oh
your
shit! I forgot that he was there.
Hello. Where's your health bar? Don't you have one?
I do, and it's no, no, there,
Ah.
somewhere here. No, it's not. Never mind. I
You
forgot
don't
how
have
this game works.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh god. This was the part where I switched to assisted because I couldn't. Yes. If you do not understand how often I replayed this bullshit.
Mm-hmm. How many are there?
Couple. 36.
You don't.
Can't do myself.
We lost you. Lost you. Now we're 37.
Yeah, well, one burn.
Can you run there and save them?
No, because they're like.
You could have shot the one who was throwing the fire thing.
Oh, I don't want to do this again.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
I might actually switch back to assisted, to be honest.
Okay, fair.
Why do you not? Okay, thank you.
But why is Europe so middle-aged? Oh, heck. Oh, wow.
We're taking a chill.
Okay, but if there's no one to save that, why can we not just speedrun through it? God, I'm so good.
Because that's not how they get.
Okay, that's... It's not my fault.
No complaint to Capcom, I guess.
I'm offended by the way they portray Europe. Do you see the chainsaw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. He wants to be so funny so desperately. I love it.
Oh, nice.
How old is he? Probably 40, right? If he's making jokes like that.
I think in this game he's 27.
I'm so sorry. Hey, let's not talk about age.
Oh my!
You are obviously not American. That's fine.
I need to jump off. Oh god! Chainsaw guy. Where? Yes, come here. Come to Papa.
Aren't you supposed to?
I don't think they can come to Papa.
Aren't you supposed to be Mama?
It's Leon.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay.
And chainsaw guy. I'm gonna.
For emotional support.
Oh, I have to go. Shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let me fight.
I'm fighting. I'm fighting.
Yeah, see, I have
Nice.
to dog.
For the clock.
Huh?
I did it in hard mode. Oh my god, I'm so good.
Hard mode.
No, I on standard.
Oh, it's hard mode. You did it in hard mode. Oh my god.
Gaslight, gatekeep, girl boss. You know.
I'm gonna kill myself.
That's the best joke in the entire game.
Okay.
You're gonna have to let this one sink in.
You mean the guy?
Whoa. Don't say that about my Pookie. Okay.
I'm trying to listen.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Bruh, no way. Oh my god. Brother's got jokes.
He does.
Okay, what now?
Roost to Condor 1. I've identified a route to the lake. Look for a large windmill. There's a path on the far side of it.
Windmill. Copy that.
And be
Copy
careful.
that.
Roost out.
I thought they were at church.
No, I'm very similar. Oh, my knife is broken. My knife's broken.
Take the chicken leg. Throw eggs at her. Did you? Oh. Stuff.
Oh my god, girl, let me shoot you. Jesus.
Give me a break already.
So, can you find another knife?
I can't find a kitchen knife. There should be one around. Oh, hello.
Oh my god.
All right. There's this thing.
For the love of God, will somebody please get rid of the blue medallions? Those religious lunatics left hanging around. What? Okay.
Wait,
Is that what they're called?
the religious lunatics?
No, the blue medallion. I mean, yeah. Sure, okay, that's fine too.
Seeing these things when you have to.
Blue medallion.
Thank you, Leon. God, what would I do without you? Okay.
Oh, maybe don't walk in that.
I forgot that shit is there.
Reflexes like Hamilton.
I'm so good. See, I should have been Formula 1 champion.
Yeah.
She does.
You could have been world champion.
One of these days.
You're gonna be world champion. Oh, yeah.
Lando, we can be world champion, I said. Please don't.
Lando!
Okay.
Hey, maybe go into the opposite direction of the noise.
No, we're going.
That's such a white man behavior.
Listen, I need to find Baby Eagle. I don't want to meet the ugly there.
God damn.
Yeah.
What? Is it gonna come up? Ah! Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh, it's a dragonborn. John.
Oh, I jumped.
No, it's John. Okay.
This.
Mixed herbs.
Crab. And we do this. And then we eat it. Apparently. Hello. Oh no, alright.
Oh my god.
I put my finger on the mouth.
Oh my god, Oh, that's nice noises.
Alright.
Oh god. Breathed aggressively.
Because I have to fix everything myself.
Wow, you're such a strong man.
Hey. Dog.
So blonde.
No.
Oh, what?
I actually don't know what happened there. You should know that though.
I don't.
I should have probably killed them actually.
Nice. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't like the noises. Isn't it gonna the bridge? Okay, no, apparently not.
Here you go.
Oh wait, actually.
At least it's shaking the bridge. Amazing. Nice. Pew pew.
This is about the time where
Drop dead.
Thank you. There you go.
Yay. It's. I'm not questioning.
What?
Wasn't he floating?
Yeah, he was. I saw it too. Yeah, he was.
Okay.
Yeah, just Leon killed him so good. They just
about to leave to the afterlife.
yeah. Just what did you say? They just levitated into the afterlife?
Oh yeah, that would have been smarter. Yeah.
What did you say?
They're just about to leave.
Oh.
No, I said levitate. I said that.
Mm-hmm.
That was me.
That's great, Jimmy.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Arriba eso.
This is a great story. It's a great story. I'm loving it.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Oh hey, what?
Hey, you shot me! Get out of here!
Wait, why did it explode? Didn't you?
Oh, I gotta go.
From
Oh my god!
okay, you had to have been seeing that. Oh no, please not.
No, let me manage. Thank you. Oh, I don't know where I have to go actually. Don't keep through this.
I'd love to help.
You're doing great, sweetie. Nothing wrong. Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Oh,
I'm older than you.
I don't have a. Please. I need my life back.
Right.
Please.
Oh my god. See, that's what I was expecting the other one to do.
Oh. That's okay. It's a regular baby. He's
seems
strong, I did.
crazy painful, but he's okay. Is that how America depicts themselves?
Oh my god, another one of these bitches.
Don't walk in there. I literally just told you. I thought, we were seeing it for the whole time.
I saw the other.
Did you know? Oh.
So hey, I am a pro gamer actually.
I didn't laugh.
I am. Wonderful. Beauty. Because apparently in Europe we only have black and white pictures still. That is something that's true.
Oh, this is so bad. What? You're reacting as if you're expecting something. Lovely. Oh. Hello there.
When we
No.
don't have snacks at home.
What?
Something.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is lovely. I love that.
Oh, is it moving? What? Oh.
That hurts, Seemed like you really wanted to talk. How observant, senor. Now, say, you gotta smoke?
Really?
Those things will kill you. Oh, well, maybe just untie me then, huh?
Joder, not this guy.
Who are you? Stop right there.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Bro,
Don't worry, we'll kill him later. Like,
Are we
5
done?
chapters in.
Okay.
10 chapters, maybe. I don't remember.
Oh no, it has a shotgun gun. Ew, no. No. Ew, no, right? Ew.
Oh, the chapters ended. Wow, that's crazy. Wow, who wouldn't? Who? Oh, wait.
Should we end it too?
That is so crazy.
Yeah, we should. We're done for the day, yeah. Okay.
That was only the first chapter.
It was fun though.
Yeah, it was. It was.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.